Hello, Jabenda here. Today I wanted to show you an amazing Fichet brand lock model F3D, which is one of the most secured locks from this company. This lock is a kind of pump lock and works by pressing cylinder inside. Inside there are 6 tumblers that rotate and can also move side to side. On each these tumblers there are 2 gears which move on gear racks placed on the top and the bottom of the cylinder. The gears move in opposite direction, and each of them they are real there are true and fake force gates. Our task is to hit with each tumbler to the true gate in the first and then in the second gear. Tensioning in this system is done by the pressing cylinder, and when it's pressed there you can rotate this lock. It's a very difficult lock to pick and really requires a lot of work. For this lock you need to make a custom pick that will allow you to try to set all the tumblers in the correct position according to the shape of the key. This lock has about 11 million combination, and I don't know if it is possible to make a blind pick on it. So let's try to pick, and then I try to show you what's inside. Okay. First tumbler is passive on the interior side. Okay, last tumbler seems to be good. Okay, and we have open. Now I will show you how it's turning on. You can rotate them as many times as you want. You can see now I'm not to I can't remove my pick now because on the front of the keyway we have some passive pin, check pin, which blocks pick. Okay, now let's lock is closed. Let's try to gut. And I will show you what's inside. Sorry for those ugly screws, but I need to replace them, but I don't have at this moment better. Okay, this is a middle piece which turning around and moved bolts in the lock. Maybe that will be, look, when I insert the key it's unblocked position and it can turn around and key is moving this middle piece. Okay, now let's try to gut. And here we have 6 gear racks. I'll show you for a moment. Those racks from inside are moving on those gears. And here you can see inside of this lock. Here we have 6 tumblers with 2 gears on each of them. First tumbler is passive. Here is still a ring on that. Now I'm gonna remove, or I'll try to remove this. Okay. Here we have tile piece. Okay, and here we have, you can see those gear racks. on the top and on the bottom part. Each of these racks are provide each of gear. That one gear is going on one rack, gear rack, one of the top and one of the bottom. Okay, let's move those gears. They all look the same, like that. Okay, and now key and those tumblers. I'll try to show you how those tumblers rotate and move when you insert the correct key. All those tumblers and gears, they are riding on those gear racks, and they are I forget word, and they are set on the proper position. Okay, I'll show you now those tumblers, and here you have tumbler and two gears. As you can see, on gears we have 3 through gates, 1, 2, 3, and some false gates, and each tumbler has 3 tips, or I don't know how to say, and you need to set them in that position. Sorry, there was no focus. Okay, let's move rest of this. This lock can be rekeyed. It's quite easy to rekey. So if I will have another key, I can rekey it, and lock will be working with another different key. Okay, and the last one, passive tumbler. In active, in exterior side, all tumblers are active, and on all 6 tumblers we have 2 gears. Okay, this ring, front piece from the spin, and check pin and other check mechanism key. So that will be all, my friends. It's a lot shorter video than previous. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. Cheers.